Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to register client via IFA StarMF mobility app. To register client via IFA StarMF mobility app, go to the menu, click on create clients option. Now this is the client registration page. Over here you have to enter some details of the client. For example, first is client code. Client code basically it's a unique ID which you are providing to your investor. It can be alphabetic, it can be numeric, it can be combination of alphabetic and numeric as well. So it is totally depend as per your choice. So now let me enter one client code over here. So I will enter my name and just put 1. So this is my client code. Select text status. So as you can see, all type of text status available over here in BSE StarMF. So you can select any text status as per the investor's choice. So let me select individual. Then holding nature. So there are total 3 options: single, joint, or animal survival. You have to select any one of them. Let me go with single first. Then mention the name of the applicant. You have to mention the name as per the KYC format only. So I will mention my name as per the KYC format. Select gender, male or female. Then enter the date of birth of the investor. So over here first you have to click on this year to select the year of the birth. Then you can choose the month and then select date. After that enter the PAN number of the investor. So I will enter PAN number of the investor. Then select occupation of the investor. Enter nominee name and nominee relationship. Dividend pay mode will remain as direct credit. So it will remain direct credit as by default. Then you can click on this arrow button. Now the next is bank details. So over here you can enter up to 5 bank details of your investor. So you can see there is a add bank button over here. So you can add bank 2, bank 3, bank 4, bank 5, up to 5 bank you can add via IFA StarMF mobility app. Okay, so let me just enter one bank right now. So select account type, enter the IFSC code. So MICI number, branch name, everything has been fetched by the system automatically. Enter the account number of the investor, and then you can choose that whether you want to keep this bank 1 as a default bank or not. If you want to keep bank 1 as a default bank, then you can leave this choose default bank flag as yes by default. Then similarly you can add second bank as well. Same just like this you can add second bank, and just like this you can add third bank as well. So you can add up to 5 bank details, and then you can choose that which bank you want to keep as default. Then you can click on next button. Next is communication details, where you have to enter the address as well as email ID and mobile number of your investor. So let me enter the address part first. So you can add the address, you can divide the address in address 1, address 2 and address 3 if the address is very long. Choose state, enter city, pin code, and then enter email ID as well as mobile number of the investor. So remember, all the communication from the BSE will go to this respective email ID and mobile number, of the investor. So make sure you enter correctly. Now click on this red button, which is the save button. So you will get the message record inserted successfully. Now click on OK. Now first of all you have to inform your investor to authenticate the UCC. So for authentication they will receive the link via SMS and email. You can also refer our video of how to authenticate the UCC either via email or SMS. Now in this way you can register your client via IFA StarMF Mobility app. Thank you for watching.